Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to get a white check from BMO online. So without further ado, let's get into this. So today's tutorial on how to get a white check from BMO online in just a few simple steps. Whether you need it for direct deposit or any other purpose, BMO makes it easy to obtain a white check without having to visit a branch. So here are a few simple steps how you're going to get that. Step number 1. Log into your BMO online banking account. So first, you're going to want to log into your BMO online banking account using your username and password. If you haven't enrolled in online banking yet, you'll need to do so before proceeding. Make sure, guys, you need to have an account before you get into all of this. Step number 2, navigate to the Transfers tab. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfers tab. This is where you'll find the option to request a white check. Now, isn't this what we're looking for? Sounds good, right? Step number 3, select Account Services and then White Check. Under the Transfers tab, select Account Services from the menu, then choose the option labeled White Check. It should be pretty much in front of you. Step number 4, fill in the required information. You'll now be prompted to fill in some necessary information such as the account from which you want the white check and any additional details required by BMO. Make sure all the information is accurate before proceeding. Now guys, come on, we don't want to enter any wrong information, do we? Step number 5, review and submit your request. After filling in the required information, take a moment to review your request to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, hit the submit button to send your white check request to BMO. Step number 6, confirmation and download. Congratulations, you successfully submitted your white check request. You'll typically receive a confirmation message from BMO, and your white check will be processed shortly. You may be able to download a digital copy for your records as well. And that's about it. Getting a white check from BMO online is quick, easy, and convenient. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.